Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to see how to easily make herbal hair oil at home. This hair oil that I'm talking about is very easy to make and it is an all-in-one solution for all your hair related problems. It is made up of 50 plus organic ingredients. So if you're interested in buying this hair oil, you can contact us on the number shown on the screen. Also, if you're living in another state other than Tamil Nadu, you can definitely contact us and we are ready to ship the product all over India. So now let's see how to make a herbal hair oil. Let's see the ingredients that are necessary to make a herbal hair oil. The first one that's needed is curry leaves. It makes our hair root stronger and it helps to increase volume and length. The next one is neem leaves. This protects our hair against lice, nits, fungal infection and itchiness. Next one is going to be the moringa leaves. It is very rich in iron and it improves hair growth significantly. The next one is sesame joe weed. So this helps to increase both our hair volume and length. Then the henna leaves. This cures both mature and premature gray hair and it also helps to keep our body very cool. So when we apply it, the scalp and the body becomes very cool. Then the hibiscus leaves. This cures premature gray hair, dandruff and itchy scalp. Then comes the white false daisy leaves. It helps with luscious hair growth and to make them pitch black naturally. It's also really good to use fresh leaves just like these. Indian borage leaves, or it is also known as Karpuravalli in Tamil. So these leaves are very beneficial to cure premature gray hair and dandruff. So all the leaves that we have shown in this video are very fresh and we always use fresh leaves when we prepare our oil. Then here comes the balloon vein or Mudakatan Kirai in Tamil. It prevents hair fall and gray hair. And these are betel leaves. It quickly prevents hair fall and dandruff. And then these are Amla. The antioxidants present in Amla cures premature and mature gray hair. And the ones we used are very fresh. And then these are known as Bermuda grass or Argambol in Tamil. They remove dead cells on scalp and helps with fast hair growth. And these are aloe vera. They remove any dead cells on scalp and helps keep our body cool. And they also help to make our hair soft and silky. These are eucalyptus leaves. They control hair fall and improve hair growth. Also, this gives a very good smell to the oil. And these are the peeled garlic cloves. They have vitamin C and collagen in it, which controls hair fall and improves hair growth. These are small onions. They contain sulfur, which is very helpful to control hair fall, and they also help to improve hair growth. And then here we have tulasi, or they are also known as holy basil leaves in English. They help to cool down the scalp and prevent dandruff. These are black holy basil. You can add both the white and the black basil leaves, or you can just add any one of them if you can't find both. And then these are ginger. They help to control hair fall and improves hair growth. These are Marikolanda in Tamil, or they are also known as Davana plant leaves in English. It keeps both hair and scalp moisturized by removing any dryness. Then these leaves are known as gale of wind or Keelanelli in Tamil. They control hair fall that is caused by overheating of the body and improves hair growth significantly. Over here we have some shredded carrot. They strengthen hair root and help to grow hair longer and thicker. Just like the carrot, we have some shredded beetroot as well. They prevent hair breakage, hair fall and dryness, and they also help to keep hair soft and silky. Over here we have hibiscus, Tannus cassia and rose petals. All of these three petals control hair fall and improve hair growth. They keep hair soft and silky, control scalp itchiness, dandruff and any fungal infection. Then we have a bunch of almonds. They have biotin and omega 3 and 6 fatty acids. They help to grow hair stronger, longer and thicker. Right next to it we have some soaked fenugreek seeds. They have protein and nicotine in them, which is very useful for hair growth, and they help prevent dandruff. And these mustard seeds control dandruff. And these are some flax seeds. They cure hair breakage, split ends, and help to grow hair evenly, long and thick. And these are some sliced lemons. They have vitamin C in them, which cures scalp itchiness, dandruff, and fungal infection. These are known as ajwan seeds, or it is known as omum in Tamil. They control premature gray hair and dandruff. These are black cumin seeds. This is extremely important for our hair growth. They help to grow our hair pitch black and thick. These are cloves. They prevent scalp itchiness. And here we have some black sesame seeds. They contain omega 3 and 6 fatty acids, which will stimulate hair growth. They help to keep hair moisturized and grow longer. Then we have some peppercorns here. They have vitamin A and C, which control dandruff and increases hair growth. These are cinnamon sticks. They improve hair growth by stimulating blood circulation in the scalp. This is known as vetiver. They are highly beneficial for hair growth, and they also keep our body cool. And then over here we have jetamansi. They strengthen hair roots. They try to keep hair soft and silky, and they also cure hair breakage and split ends. These are known as Vembalam Pattai. They control hair fall, strengthen hair roots, and improve hair growth. Now we are going to be adding some Auri leaves powder. So this is a natural hair dye. Usually Amla, henna and Auri leaves powder is used to create natural hair dye. Since all of these three ingredients are used in this, it helps to prevent gray hair and it keeps hair dark. And then I have got the Indian hog plum powder over here. It protects hair roots and increases hair growth naturally. The next one I have over here is known as Threepla powder. This powder is actually a combination of three different powders. They are Amla, Thandrikai and Kadukai powder. These three in a combination solve all hair related problems. And then most importantly, the Threepla powder that I just showed you, it cures alopecia, which means it also prevents gray hair, controls hair fall, improves hair growth. It provides so many other benefits. This is known as Adimatram powder. It improves hair growth by stimulating blood flow in scalp. We also added some green camphor. It controls head lice, nits and dandruff. Also, it gives a very good smell to the oil. When I'm making the herbal hair oil, I will also be adding castor oil and sesame oil along with the coconut oil. This sesame oil regenerates damaged hair strands. It prevents any hair dryness. While the castor oil also prevents hair dryness, it controls hair fall and cures any scalp infection. Both of these oils keeps our body cool, so you can add the required quantity to the coconut oil while making the herbal hair oil. Just like these, we are adding 50 plus organic ingredients and making the herbal hair oil. If you would like to purchase our oil, you can contact us on the number shown on the screen. Everything is very organic and there are no artificial ingredients in our oil, so you can trust us and you can contact us on 637 4977 155.